What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is Guyker, and today's video is gonna be a little bit different than my usual videos. So this is a review video. Recently I have purchased Guyker locking tuners for my Jackson JS12 and I've installed them. I used them for 2 to 3 weeks and now I am making a video so that I can share my experience and let you guys know what you can expect if you purchase these tuners for your own guitar, and I will also try to show you how to install them. Well, before we start the video, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing as it really motivates me to make more content like this. So let me show you how to install these tuners. As you can see, I have taken 2 of the tuners out. This is my old Jackson tuner that come pre-installed with the guitar. Pretty basic. They have just printed Jackson on these tuners. Very basic die-cast tuners. And if you can see in the screen, this is the Guyker locking tuner. They are quite heavy. The build quality is quite good even for such low price. The build quality is great. Not only these look great, they work absolutely perfect. They do their job. So yeah, I will now show you how to install them. But before you install them, you need some tools. One will be a 4-head screwdriver. Another one will be a T-shaped spanner or a T-shaped wrench. The size of it will be 10 millimeters. Keep in mind, before you take the old tuners out, you will need to use the correct size screwdriver for the screws to take them out, like these screws, if you can see in the screen. These wear out really quickly if you use them incorrectly. If you use the screwdriver incorrectly. So if you want to keep the process hassle free, use a proper screwdriver or the correct size of the screwdriver. Now let me show you how to install these Guyker locking tuners. The process is quite simple and easy. You don't have to drill any holes or do any kind of modifications before you install them. You just have to put the tuners inside the hole, line it up with the screw hole and put the screw in and just start screwing it in. As you can see, I have installed it. Now let's put another tuner in. It's the same process. Match it with the screw hole. Put the screw in and start tightening the screw. You can see it's very simple. It's locked in place. Now let's flip the guitar and we'll put the washers in now. Keep in mind that the washers will have a flat side and the flat side will be the one to contact with the guitar. So just put the washer inside. You can also put the second washer and you can see second washer. You'll just have to put it in and hand tight them as much as possible. Don't force it, don't do anything, just hand tight them as much as you can. Now we'll hand tight the second screw. Now we will use the T-shaped spanner or the T-shaped wrench. We'll just tighten them just a little bit. And that's how you install your locking tuners. So before restringing, there is a thumb screw at the back side of your headstock. You'll just have to loosen it up just a little bit. You will have to match the string hole with the nut slot. And put the string inside. Make sure that you pull the string really hard and lock the strings in this position. Tight your thumb screw and your string will be locked. Well, as you can see, I have put all the strings in and tuned them to pitch. And a great thing about locking tuners is that you don't have to wrap the string around the post. So when you use your tremolo bridge, the chance of being out of tune is quite low. Because when you use normal tuners, you will have to wrap the string around the post, and if you use your tremolo bridge, your strings will be unwrapped slightly, and when you return the tremolo bridge back to zero position, the wrap has actually moved slightly, thus creating tuning instability. So I think installing locking tuners is quite important for your guitar. So here are some positive points about Guyker locking tuners and why you should buy them according to me. Number 1, these are quite affordable. They cost around $48 on their website, and you have two options to ship them to you. One is standard shipping, one is fast shipping. And keep in mind, if you are from India and thinking about purchasing these locking tuners from Guyker, you will have to pay a import duty tax. Point number 2 is that the build quality is really good. They have a solid feel to it and they are functional. So these are really great tuners in my opinion. Point number 3 is these tuners are quite easy to install and you don't have to make any modifications or drill any extra holes. And for the fourth point, not only these tuners look good, they are extremely functional and they hold tune really good. Well, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you guys in the next video.